Hello! Good morning ulit! Nandito ako sa Balatasan ngayon para kwento kung anong nangyayari. May kaibigan ako rito. Pupunta kami sa resort. Say hi, my friend!
Hello!
My friend, what's your name?
Rafael.
Rafael, from where are you?
Germany.
Germany! Okay, so that's my new friend from Germany. And
What's your name?
I'm Guillermo Mendoza. They call me here Inyen.
Ian?
Yeah, that's a native name. It's look like Mangyan. That's not. Yeah, that's the accommodation. Yeah. Okay, so ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung isang accommodation maganda dito. Pagmamayari ni Kuya Nestor. So, yan. See? Bisita siya at nag-i-inquire para sa accommodation. Tingnan natin sa loob. Oh, what nice.
Looks really new. Yeah, it's new. Yeah. How much would it be for one night?
Today is not peak season, 1.5.
Huh?
Overnight.
1.5.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I see. When I have time,
Yes.
maybe I come after Bislik to here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have open the breakfast in the morning, free.
Ah, okay. Good. Salamat po.
Okay, you can. What is Tagalog in good morning?
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga. Very good. How about magandang gabi in English?
Magandang gabi. What
Yeah.
is it?
Magandang gabi.
It's you said it now.
Yeah, it's
It's like good day.
no, it's
Good afternoon.
good evening.
Good
Magandang
evening.
gabi. Yeah.
Magandang gabi.
Yeah.
Magandang gabi.
Gabi. Good evening.
Okay. And what do you say for when it starts?
When you start,
Yeah. When the night comes.
magandang hapon. Afternoon.
Hapon.
Hapon. Magandang hapon. Okay. So are you going back to Bislig?
Yeah.
Ready? So nice meeting you, my friend.
Yeah. Nice
Hope to
meet
see you again later or someday.
will.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Ano ka wala? May ilang huli na ulit.